gonna wait, but I got my man coming. I don't like people watching when I'm recording my thing, you understand? RTM Diary presented to you by the one and only AJRTM. We right here, DMX settings. We are here, Alicia Keys settings. And like what Hawkins said, RIP. I won't be satisfied unless you like and subscribe. So make sure you be sure, like the deodorant brand, to go and do that. We back in Wales once again for another episode of the UK and Ireland's best roads. Now, I've been here on numerous occasions before, and this time around we're to MJRIP is going to be so much better for the simple reason we don't have to deal with whiteouts, don't have to deal with fog, we don't have to deal with bad weather. It's pitch perfect. Word to Rebel Wilson. You know how it goes. We ride back like Cafu. Obviously, in this episode, we're going to do one of my favourite routes, B4391 Part 1 run. This time, we are not including the A4212 because that road was just messed up. It was just a mad thing, and I couldn't be bothered with it. Obviously, this time, I'm only doing the Part 1 run because that's the pinnacle part to focus on. I want to focus on the A4212. As decent as it is, but it was messy. It was messy like Leon now. So I said, you know what, we'll leave that out. We'll just focus on the 4391. And it's elite, and I'm not going to say it. I'm going to say it right now. It is one of the best roads in the UK. It is probably the best road in Wales. It is my favourite road in Wales. We're going to have some fun. All I want to do is have some fun. Word to Cheryl Crow. Word to Cheryl Crow. This one is just different, bro. And just sit back, relax, tune in, take it in. You're gonna love it, man. I'm telling you like F.U. White and Dream Girls, bruv. There's no road like this one, bruv. Bends, long straights, ravines, everything, you name it, it is right here. I remember coming here years ago, bruv. Years and years ago. On multiple occasions, I'm driving. Someone's in my way. It's foggy, extremely foggy, you know. It's snowing. I've visited this road in all kinds of conditions. And now this time around, we're to MJRIP. RIP. It's pitch perfect, like I already said. Word to Rebel Wilson. Sit back, stay tuned. Get ready for the B4391 Part 1 run. Let's have some fun. Make sure when you get the chance, you come visit it, because you will like it. Let's go. Now, before we begin this run, I must warn you, I am exceptionally gassed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm exceptionally gassed because obviously the times I've come here before, I haven't seen it in all its glory, and because the fog's been blocking my view. The fog was blinding my eyes. I was like Stevie Wonder, I couldn't see a thing. But coming down here today, I've seen it and I'm like, this is actually different like Northern Ireland. This from the rest of the UK, but I'm telling you, I'm gassed, I'm pumped. I just hope that I don't get stuck behind some Sunday Karen, and I just hope I don't come in a pack, and you get me, cause that's just gonna ruin it. It's about 10 AM now. I wanted to be here earlier, but it is what it is. You just gotta deal with whatever it is, and you get me. And obviously, I've had to come a wee bit further down the road because this is the only lay-by I could find, because the start of the B4391, there's no lay-bys, it's just narrow twists and turns as it is. So, without further ado, let's just really get into it. Enough talking, really. What's said needs to be said. It's now time for action. So let's go! Okay, so 5, 4, 3, where you're going, you idiot. 2, 1, let's get into it. B4391 Part 1 run, let's go! Rise up into an incline here, under a vast canopy of trees. Yeah man, this is it, we're to MJRIP, here it is. Rises up and up and up, and I got a surprise for y'all, like Ludacris said in Too Fast Too Furious. You're gonna see it. shorty on that bike, I'm telling you. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is, 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 here it is. Yo! Here it is, 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 here it is. Yo! Yo! Another one, DJ Khaled.
Another one, DJ Khaled.
Here it is, here it is. We rise up and up and up. We're straight blazing, no stopping, but like a flight from Heathrow to JFK. We've done all our stops for the day. Let's go! Ooh, 20. Remember, Wales is 20. Nearly forgot. Obviously, you come to the wee town here. What's it called? Ffestiniog? I don't know. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. I don't want to cause an offence. Bala, B4391. To the left, Beyonce settings.
To the left, Beyonce settings.
8 miles of fun and sheer beauty coming up. Just wait on it. These people that live on this road are privileged because they sit at the beginning of one of the UK's best roads. How elite is that? You sit on the beginning of one of the UK's best roads, and to get out to the main places you have to drive along it. It's a privilege. And if they don't appreciate it, they probably really shouldn't be living here, in my opinion. Let me live here, you know, like that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, but you're creeping TLC settings, but what are you doing, bruv? Move. Word to Damon Marley. Was it safe? Yeah, cheers, mate. Word to Rihanna. Just look at the scenery. You got big mountains, double bend for 2 miles. But in spite of coming here, if you're coming here to check it out, be careful. Cardi B didn't say be careful for no reason, because there's some sheer drops off the edge of this road, ditches, everything, you name it, and one wrong turn and it could be game over. It could be game over. I'm telling you, and you don't want that out here. Sharp one coming into the right, into the right. Whoa, whoa, this one's nice. Jeez! Whoa, this one's nice. Jeez! To the left, Beyonce, Beyonce, Beyonce. Watch it, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Turns with scenery to match. And it's just me, myself, and I word to Beyonce, no one word to Alicia Keys, fam. This is the best way, this is how it's meant to be. Woohoo! Yeah. I'm gonna have to take sport mode off, man, because in this car it flipping burns the petrol. Flip me. I've never driven a car in sport mode that blazes so much. Unbelievable. I've literally seen it just vanish right in front of my eyes. On we go, on we go. This is the best bit here. Got a wee viewpoint here. Whoa, 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 whoa! I need to know I'm coming. Word to J-Hus pawns, blood. You know, like that. Whoa, 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 whoa! I need to know I'm coming. Word to J-Hus pawns, blood. You know, like that. Look at the drop-offs, bro. Remember coming here, I couldn't see a thing, blood. I could not see, bro. Just sheer. It was a whiteout. It's in essence, bruv, a whiteout. But today I can see everything, bro. Everything is everything. Word to Mary J. Blige, fam. This is like a road in Yorkshire Dales that I've been to. This section, got the section Yorkshire Dales is exactly like this, how this section just was, but the only difference is it's much higher and much steeper. But that just reminds me of it. Like here, the drop off is very steep. If you go down there, it's peak. There's a wee barrier here, but a lot of it there's no barrier, so you gotta know what you're doing. Remember coming here last time in snow and it was sending me up there to the left, but guess what? I knew it wasn't gridded, so I did not go up there. I'm telling you, bro, this is a stark contrast. I'm happy words for Pharrell Williams. Opens up here. Let's blaze. Get to the right. Why? To the left. That's it. Hog the line. Ha ha ha! Yeah! Hog it. It's getting hot in here. Word to Nelly, but I'm telling you, the Welsh weather's pretty decent today. Shock and horror. Now here we got our vast opening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Blaze! This is it. Word to MJ. I'm telling you. I remember coming down this road years ago, and I said to myself, nah, this road is just different. It's just different. And God has been good to me because no one's got in my way. And I doubt anyone will, because there's no roads to peel off here to get in my way. Yeah, man. Remember when I was on the other part of the 4391 earlier, I was stuck in a pack for the longest time. Word to Capleton, fam. I couldn't get out and leave. Word to Joe, fam. It was peak. But here I got freedom. Word to George Michael, R.I.P. Now tell me if you've ever seen a better road than this. I think I'll wait. Dip in the road here, little opening. Let's open up. Yeah, opening. And still. Look at the views. Just look at it, expansive. Just you, the car and the road. This is how it's meant to be, man. You don't get much better. In fact, you don't get none better. I'm gonna say it from now. You don't get none better. I wish I had a manual car, man. It would have been so much more fun. Watch it. Take it. Down we go. You gotta be real careful here. You don't want to go into that barrier and flip over. I'll have you know. Narrows in a wee bit here. Cattle grid. Didn't give a warning. How beautiful, bro. Christina Aguilera says you are beautiful. This is beautiful. Coming to the end here. And how magnificent has it been, man? How magnificent has it been, bro? This is one of the best, if not the best, B-road, single track road, whatever, I don't care. It doesn't get much more better than that. Now I've got ones as good in the locker that I need to visit, but this doesn't get better than that. not including the 4212 today, because that road was moving. Yeah, it's moving a bit mad still. But this is the N word to Adele, blood. Woo! And so, as you saw, that was very elite. It's one of my favorites. It's elite like an Xbox 360. There's not much better than it. Now, the B4391 extends way further down, but like I said, we ain't got time to cover that today. I might as well do a little something with the time what I got. So I've decided to do the part of the B4391, and you saw how elite it was, didn't you? One of the best roads, probably Wales' best road. I know. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna call it now. That section of road right there, what we just done, is Wales' best road, and I've been North Wales, South Wales, Mid Wales, West Wales, East Wales. I've been all over Wales, and I'm telling you, I haven't discovered every gem, but I've discovered a lot of gems in my time exploring Wales, and that one right there, so what we've just done happens to be the best. Like I've shown you the aerials, I'll show you some more even now. The majestic views, the turns, the twists, the way it opens up, and the fact that I was finally able to cover it in all its glory, with no fog, with no rain, with no snow, with no sleet. It just tops it all off for me. For me! Word to LMA. But yeah, you lot, let me know your thoughts and feelings. If you wonder I'm wearing gloves, it's still a wee bit breezy, innit? I'm in and out of the car. I'm back and forth. Word to Leah Horton, R.I.P. But you lot, let me know what you think of the B4391. And I recommend, if you love driving or if you love scenic roads, then you come and check it out. Come and check it out. What time is it now? It's 10:25 on a Saturday morning. There's not too much going on, not too much people. It's not a major commuter route. It's a wee bit quieter than the A4212 over there. There's more commuters and more traffic on that. But let me know what you lot think. I'm AJRTM presenting to you the UK and Ireland's best roads on RTM Diaries. Hope you like my jumper. And now they ain't for sale yet. They're exclusive. But maybe one day, when we make it, I'll have them for sale. Be sure to smash a like, subscribe, leave your comments, your thoughts and your feelings right at the bottom, and we'll be back with another video of the UK and Ireland's best roads much sooner than you think. Until then, I'll catch y'all. Peace. They love it, man. They love it.